It's a cloudy day in Florida. It's starting to drizzle. It is starting to drizzle. And it's windy. Very, very windy. These guys are starting to come down. Oh boy. Oh man, and my wife is cooking. I gotta go inside and eat, man. I got to go inside and eat. Oh boy. Oh, it smells so good, it's driving me crazy. The wind, the rain, knocked down most of my mangoes, man. I'm not gonna have that many mangoes this year. The rain and the wind, but I'm gonna have some soursop. Oh man, it's drizzling already. I'm gonna have to go inside. But these guys are up there. Even though it's drizzling and it's cloudy and it's windy, these guys are still up there. They love it up there. And it's hot too. It's hot, but they gotta do that thing. They gotta exercise. But it's gonna come down, boy. It's drizzling right now. It's dark, cloudy. But they gotta exercise, no matter what. Oh boy, my wife is cooking, man. It smells so good. I'm gonna have to go inside and just hope for these guys to come down before the real hard rain comes down. I hope they don't go out now. If they go out now and it starts raining, they're going to be in big trouble. Big trouble. It's about 7 o'clock now. It's starting to rain now. Drizzling. Last thing I want is for these guys to start going out now. If they get caught in that rain, oh boy, it'll be a problem. Starting to thunder, rumble in the sky. Oh man, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to go inside. Alright, YouTuber on the People's Channel, I gotta go inside. It's starting to rain and these guys are up there. So I'm gonna leave you. I'm leaving you right now because it's starting to rain and I don't want to get sick. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. I'm going in to eat. These guys will come down when they come down and they have to go in. All right, everyone, arrivederci.